I'm Buddy Gray. I'm a commercial manager here at American Midstream. I work with the Quorum products.
My name's Ryan Roop. I'm actually VP of Commercial Operations here at American Midstream.
American Midstream's a publicly traded MLP. We started out as a small private company called High Point Energy.
We probably started off with maybe 2 or 3 assets, about 1,000 miles of pipe altogether in the Gulf Coast.
We started with 12 people, and then now we're looking at about 200 to 300 employees.
The growth, it's been really exciting for us. It's pretty large now. I think close to 4,000 miles of pipe and quite a few processing plants.
Over a span of about 3 years. So it's been a pretty wild ride.
The growth has really changed us from the back office all the way to the commercial.
QPTM was really instrumental for the startup of High Point because it helped to facilitate gathering all the data that we needed to process and keeping it in one refined repository.
Really the main reason I wanted it was from the reporting side. I'm a big reports guy.
From there we just grew into, now I think we have 20 Quorum modules.
We leveraged Quorum for quite a few different areas of midstream.
As we grew our contracts, we grabbed their contracts application.
It's allowed us to really hone in and keep our G&A smaller. For a smaller midstream company, it's very important.
We're growing into the marketing arena, and they have a marketing suite. We recently grew into the land, and we're using their right-of-way applications.
And we couldn't manage right now without Quorum. Being a public company, and this is very important for everyone to understand, is the SOX environment is probably the most challenging thing to move around in. Without Quorum, we would be struggling.
There's a purpose behind their design, and it delivers the data that the customer expects in a manner in which they expect and want to see it.
Our customers are happy with it. It's quick, it's manageable.
But the bigger thing is not just the way that their products work, it's the way that they will work with you on the people level.
Quorum brings a lot of power to the team, and it's been a wonderful relationship. I think our team has really thrived under it. You know, it is a challenging time in the industry. It really is, and it's whoever can really control their costs to go to win the game. You need to be able to quickly understand what each asset is bringing to the table. If you don't have the tools to see where you sit real time, you're getting beat. What it's done for us is that we made more money. Quorum's allowed us to input our budgets into their systems and track a lot of different really neat reports that typically a finance group would spend a lot of time data mining. We're so close on our estimations that we haven't been out 1% of total gross margin monthly yet. That was a big deal to me, you know, to be able to look at terminaling and look at crude oil and gathering and actually processing and FERC pipe, and to be able to present a push button report that automatically goes out every morning. Most people see that and they're like, no way. And we did it. I know Quorum's going through some really neat changes as well with their application.
Which is extremely sleek, it's got great graphics, it's got great functionality and design, and it's web-based.
Most guys wouldn't do that. They'd sit on their legacy application and not develop it and not grow it. And you get younger crowds coming up inside organizations that aren't going to sit there and stare at that. And Quorum just switched right with the times and did it.
It's a product that we're definitely excited about.
The most important part of our business is our customers, and they're the ones in front of them every day.
I've loved working with Quorum. They don't just install it and leave. They're walking with us every day through the product.
They're not just an application. They are part of our company.
They might as well be American Midstream employees. It just so happens that they're not in this building. Quorum is proven and the obvious choice.